With over 70 wood species and color combinations, white oak is our most popular. It's basically a medium tan brown base, oftentimes with golden fleck and sometimes olive undertones. It has a prominent wood grain and it's very hard compared to many of the wood species that we carry. So it's mold resistant, more water resistant, and it's just harder. It's less likely to dent and stands up to a little bit more use and abuse. The most popular color that we see is the white oak with clear coat. It does bring out some of the warmer and more honey toned colors in the wood, but it does add some nice warmth to the space and can be used in a lot of different settings. White oak's been popular for a while, so you'll see it in flooring and trim. So it makes it easy to coordinate your floating shelves, with the elements if you have a lot of white oak in your home. I did want to point out, white oak can have quite a bit of variance in the base color itself. It can be a little bit lighter like this sample, but it can also be a little bit darker, and both of those ranges are totally normal, and it is often the beauty of the wood that each shelf is a little unique. When we are preparing orders though, we do pull wood pieces that are similar and we try to match them up so that they look like brothers and sisters, but there will be a little bit of variance in what you receive versus if you order a sample ahead of time, it might be a little lighter or a little darker than your shelves that you actually receive. The wood grain can also vary a bit too. There may be more flecking or darker flecks versus this one has a little bit more linear and smaller fleck. Clear coat is the most popular, but some of the lighter finishes are also really popular. If you're looking for a non-orange, more of like a neutral lighter color, this sand is a great option. I describe it as like a taupe or wheat colored finish, so it works well in a lot of spaces if you're wanting to kind of stay away from the more honey color or warmer tone of like the clear coat. This would be a good option. The whitewash is like a neutral base. It does not go yellow or orange. It is a little bit lighter than the natural white oak itself, but it can work in just about any space because it is neutral, so it's easy to coordinate with. Here we have our white oak with gray wash. It again is like a taupey gray, like a medium tone. It's another easy one to coordinate with if you're not sure about, trying to get the perfect color. You could always opt for a gray. Here we have our early American. It's like a medium kind of golden brown hue, and directly from there, here's our special walnut. It goes a little bit warmer and darker, but it's a really great option. Could go a little bit more traditional, but there's many use cases for it. And then I'm going to end with these two browns here. We've got Willow Bend, which is a cool brown, and then we've got Pecan, which goes a little bit more warmer and red toned. And if you're looking for something more dark, like a black, we do have the carbon. The carbon is a true black stain. It does show the wood grain texture. It's gonna be fairly uniform, but you will see the wood grain itself in a little bit of light and dark. But again, it is a true black. White oak is one of our most popular wood species. It's timeless, durable, and versatile. You can customize your own shelf at our website. You can pick your length, your depth, your colors,